looking good here. Yeah, okay. Our side wall stayed up. Bench is intact. Everything looks good. Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to the lean-to. I'd like to say that I'm going to look for more stone for the fire pit, but it's probably not going to happen today. So let's take a look at what I brought in the pack today. Same stuff as usual, pretty much. However, I will just start from the top. Got my work gloves, some bank line. I'm going to reinforce these poles here. I brought my electronics kit, fire kit, food bag. Got something special in here. I brought my sleeping pad this time. I think I'm going to start with a sleeping pad. Nothing big today, guys. Just out to have a little fun. Brought my Bushcraft saw. Probably my favorite saw. And my one and only and favorite axe here. This is a velvet cut handle with a council tool head. I'm gonna tighten this up a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but that wedge is popping out. So I'm hesitant to do that, but it needs to be done. A little loose, not a big deal. So we'll work on that. And then I've just got my food kit here. And of course my gallon of water. And then just my medical kit. So that's it for today. Not in a big work mood today, so I'm just gonna hang out, really enjoy myself, do some campfire cooking. I almost brought the tarp with me today. I should have, just to get some shade for out front of the lean-to today, but we'll deal with it. I'm going to utilize the corner over here. I'll just store my stuff over in the side. After all, that's why we built it. That way it's not in the way. I'm not kicking stuff around. Just toss the bag over there. Place the cook kit. Axes. Work gloves, I'll leave those out. Bank line I'll leave out. Fire starting kit, electrical kit. Food bag. Sleeping pad I'll leave out. Put water over here, and we'll just throw the bag right on top over here. That way everything's out of the way and shaded. As you know, I love this sleeping pad. Static V. Climate. And let's see, what do we got to do here? Press here to inflate. Just flip it around. I'll spare you the time of blowing this up, but it blows up super fast. And when you have it in inflate mode, the air won't escape back out. It's a super nice feature. And then you can flip it over and press all the air out, and the air won't pull back in. See, with just that little bit, that's what we've got. So this thing is awesome. Wait, I'm gonna finish blowing it up, and I'm gonna actually take a little snoozer to start. Let some shade come over the front of the lean-to here. There she is, all inflated, ready for me to lay down. I'm not actually going to nap today, but I am just gonna lay here for a little bit and enjoy the comfort of my new bench and sleeping pad. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it right there, guys. Maybe I will end up taking a nap, but I just wanted to demonstrate the awesomeness and the comfort of this. It's a little out of line. Slide it. Yeah, these sleeping pads are great, guys. Highly recommended. I would give it a 10 out of 10. It's so comfortable right now. In the woods on a hot day, shaded, kicking back. Oh, yeah. Just a relaxation day for me today, guys. Just get to enjoy the fruits of my labor. However, there will be some more action coming, don't worry. Get this crank good and tight. You want it super tight as you can get it, pretty much. One more. Well, that'll do it. Nice and straight blade. A little bit of rust going there. We'll have to take care of that. I've pretty much neglected all of my blades except for my Mora Garberg here. It's carbon steel, so it doesn't rust as bad. It's got the coating on it. Full tang. I love this knife. It's my favorite. Always keep it on my right side. But yeah, we're good to go. I'm not completely trusting this lock here, this lock stick, but I think she's good. The rope is cranked into it pretty hard, but I think that's sturdy enough. I want to tune up the axe a little bit before we start processing wood. Isn't she beautiful? This feels great. Feels great in your hand. That's tight, okay, compared to, we had a little bit of looseness in there, but that'll work. I want to do a little more research before I pound on it too hard, with this being a newer tool for me. Wow, I'm not gonna lie, that's such a smooth, full stroke on that. That's like cutting through butter. Look at this nice dense hardwood we've got though. Look at that, huh? We'll split some of that with the axe. I want smaller sized pieces here. Yeah, that beats the Boreal Agua 21, hands down, hands down. That's a beautiful saw right there. So we've got a couple of rounds here. There we go. Okay, not bad. Boy, that is some dense hardwood there. You can see that. Beautiful. Whew. That's nice. I just can't get over the quality of this. Look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. I mean, look at how dense that is. Listen to that. It's so perfect. I'm gonna save this big log and we'll cook with this stuff. Get that old piece out of here. Let's split some of this down, shall we? know there's some knots in it, but it's splitting down pretty good. That is dense. Almost need to take the axe to that. Beautiful. Okay, we'll save this stuff here in this bigger one. Try to split this one. This is a beast. There's a knot right at the end. I gotta say it again. That is just some of the best firewood I've ever had. I mean, that is so freaking dense. So look at it. I'm obsessed with it. Okay, enough obsessing about firewood. Let's actually burn it. Grab the old fire kit here. Lose the gloves here. I'm just going to go with the old Zippo Fatwood method. Last time I was out here, we saved 2 little pieces. There, we'll just use these 2 to play off each other, just like that, and they'll stay burning nice. We might even get another burn after this out of those. Pretty cool technique. Okay, now we can just pull the fat wood right out. Sure enough, we'll get another burn or 2 out of those. Pretty nifty little trick there. Better safe than sorry. It's burning nice. Put the bigger ones on now. Man, that's so beautiful. I don't even want to burn that. Got my blood red PK energy drink. Good to go. Filled right to the brim. good. I'm just letting some coals burn down. Almost done. Kicking back for a little bit. Oh, that's right. I just remembered I gotta get the ridge pole tied up. I want to secure it a little better. Oh, let's see, what do we got? Let's get rid of this guy. Let's get straight up coals. Now, you can't tell that they're coals, but trust me, they're legit. Okay, let's get that guy on there. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. Cowboy cooking a steak. Just gonna try to clean this log off a little bit. It's really not that important. Although it did have uncooked steak on it, I'm really not too worried about it. I mean, you can eat steak raw, I guess, if you really wanted to. But just help clean it up a little bit. We'll try to keep it down on this end where the steak wasn't touching. But I do want kind of a flat surface. So yeah, that'll be good. That's good enough for government work. That's good. My blades, my edge is holding up fairly well. I sat for like a year sharpening it straight and fine tuning it, and tweaking it and working on it, working all the little dents out. Nice edge on there still. I'm sure you can't see, but yeah, still good. Still shaving the fingernail. That's how you want it. Excellent. Okay, we'll give this a flip here in a minute, and we'll dig into that bad boy. See what we got. Yeah, that's charcoal. It just scratches right off. Actually, that's not cooking like I thought, but she'll be okay. Should be okay. Look at it. Yeah, we need a little more. We should have got a little more charcoal here, but that'll be fine. Okay, here we go. Here we go, the true test. It's gonna be the rarest, bloodiest steak I've ever had. Should let it rest a little bit, but that's rare, okay? Oh, but so fabulous. Not good. I tried putting it on for a little bit more, but I'm gonna eat it raw. A little bit raw. Rare I should say. Still good. Got hidden fat though. Alright, I'll share one more bite with you. Then I get some alone time, okay? Look for a good bite. How about right there? Oh, it's so tender. Anyways, catch up with you guys in a bit. I'm going to enjoy this, relax a little more. Yep, she's pretty much out, but I just want to be sure. I can spare a little water to be extra safe. Drowned campfires. Drowned campfires. Oh, I really enjoy this axe. It's awesome. Blessed to have it. Blessed to have many things. Anyways, gonna get packed up here. Get ready to head out. Try to get some shots of the shelter before I leave, though.